guys, welcome to our review and unboxing video of the day. This is called TENPEEK Shiatsu Foot Massager. It runs $59.99 in Amazon right now, and we're gonna go see if this is worth it. This is an unboxing and my first impression review of this product. Now let's go ahead and open it. Open. So looks like it's packed real well. Got that down, and nothing else. It comes with a manual and something else on it. Let's go see. Open. Okay, so this is the manual. Pretty good writing, but small for my eyes. So hopefully you guys can read it if you buy it. And then it comes with these two things. I don't know right now what it is for, but we're gonna find out pretty soon. Okay, now let's go and remove the plastic. Ta-da! Okay, so it says TENPEEK. That's the name of the brand. It comes with an on-off button mode. I guess there are three. Since there are three dots, a time, you can put in 3 ways. And then there is a heating on it, which is pretty good. So I know having a heating feature in a massager is a good one. So hopefully this is worth it. So as you guys can see, there are different modes, not modes, but modes. I don't know what to say. So there are different things on it, and it's pretty. This is not cheap looking, at least. So you can scratch it. Doesn't seem to bother it, and these are plastic, so not sure how good it is. And these are the LCD part of it. It's, you can easily see the number, I think. And then so this is where you put these two things here. So I guess you can prop it up a little bit, and it comes with a rated power of 40 watts and a voltage are 110 into 40 watts. So hopefully this is something that can work anywhere in the world. And this is what the plug looks like. So hopefully you don't need an adapter if you're bringing it somewhere else. And like I said, this is $59.99. It's a bit heavy. It's about at least 5 pounds. So you guys can know. Hopefully that says something about the product. And again, there is nothing metal in here other than the plug. And that is that. I hope you guys enjoy our video today. I hope you guys hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.